Hi, I'm Tada of Mada Tsukaeru de. Mada Tsukaeru de is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna show you a short video of how I restored a cooking pan that had the uh, Teflon coating, and that Teflon coating actually peeled off, and so I decided to sand that entire the coating, and it turned out that the pan was the cast aluminum made, so I thought I have to put some coating, and I found the how to put some the carbon coating out of the olive oil online. So I tried that. I couldn't really put that into the oven because of the handle. The handle is made of plastic. So I just ended up with using the cooking stove, but I think I coated the pan. So this is how I went. Actually, I was not supposed to make a video out of this, but I decided to make it. This is actually the cooking pan, and this had a non-stick Teflon coating before, and also I was primarily used to boil water, so that I got the tons of lime deposit on it. So and also the non-stick Teflon coating actually started to peel off. So I decided I thought about throwing it away because it's kind of dirty outside. It's all the grease is stuck on. I don't feel like cleaning it, but since this is I think cast aluminum, it's kind of heavy. It's not really thin. It's kind of thick, and I thought and also I thought this pan is kind of ideal size for my camper. So I decided to restore it, and first thing I did was just sanding. If you have a sand blaster, I think that job was pretty quick. But unfortunately I don't have the sand blaster. I had a sander, but I decided to just do hand sanding, starting with 100 grit, and I removed the coating with 100 grit, and now I changed the grit size to 400. I don't have the 200 grits, unfortunately, right now. So I worked with the 400 grit. The problem here is the aluminum. Actually, if I sand the pan, you expose the bare aluminum, and most of the aluminum cookware, or well, actually all of the aluminum cookware are either anodized or they're coated with the non-stick. And I'm gonna show you an example of the anodized aluminum. So this is an example of anodized aluminum cookware. This actually is gold color. Uh, some are actually silver color. That's actually depending on the chemicals you use for anodization process. The color is different, and also the hardness of the protective layer or anodized layer are different. So this is gold shape, the color, and it's supposed to be harder coating. And so the purpose of anodization is you get the protective layer over the aluminum, so that you don't have the reaction of aluminum and the acid in your food, like tomatoes or vinegars or whatever. That's actually the chem etch aluminum. So the anodized layer protect that kind of the chemical process. So the problem is this aluminum, actually bare aluminum. As you might know, the aluminum actually quickly forms the passivation layer or aluminum oxide layer on top of that. But this aluminum layer is about nanometer or 10 nanometer ish, I think. The anodized layer is about 100 microns thick, so it's a totally different thickness. So uh, I'm gonna keep working on this a little bit more to make it smoother, and after that I will try to season the pan without anodization. So actually, when I started the sanding, I ended up the sanding all around, inside and outside both. So I spent about 2 hours doing that, and I went back to 60 grit and then 220, and they finished with 400. It's 400 is still kind of rough, but this is just a kitchenware, and I'm kind of lazy, so I didn't really completely remove the scratches of the previous grid. So and also, if you take a closer look, there's still a little bit of the pits, deeper pits left, but I think it's okay. So now what I'm going to do is bake it first on the kitchen stove, and then put the olive oil the inside and outside, and they keep baking it, and try to coat the olive oil, and that's gonna form a carbon layer around the pan. And the question is how hot I can go up, because this plastic the handle cannot be removed from the pan, so there's a temperature limitation there. Okay, this is the end result. It's not really uniformly coated, but I think I coated the surface. This side is just a dirty pan that hopefully this coating will keep the aluminum from the acid. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.